Out here in the fields, I fight for my meals. I get my back into my living. I don't need to fight to prove I'm right. I don't need to be forgiven. Yeah, 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 yeah.
And we're live. Hello everyone. So, I think it would be good to start off with showing you what we finished off with last time. So, I'll show you I'll give you a quick recap of what I did last time. So what I did was I created a checkbox button for the program win32 UI. Well, let me get this into nice, beautiful 1080p quality for your viewing pleasure. Ooh, using big, fancy words. Whew. Anyway, so yeah, buttons, but the problem is that they do the exact same thing, and my program has no way of knowing which button was which and which one was pressed. Now, the first thing I realized after the stream ended was... Yeah, get out of here. No, not yeah, get out of here. First thing I realized after the stream had ended was that, I actually bookmarked this, by the way. This is button styles. These aren't like buttons, these are button styles. Like, I mean, radio buttons, bitmaps apparently, center, command link, icons, whatever the heck all this is. I don't even know what half of this stuff does, to be perfectly honest with you. Yeah. This feels very complicated. So what I'm going to probably do today is just work on getting it to know which button is pressed. Well, quote-unquote button is pressed. So, let's see. C++ button. I'm just going to start very shortly. And, of course, a Microsoft article, because even though this sounds pretty ridiculous, I'm learning how to create a direct Microsoft Windows competitor using Microsoft articles. A little weird, but you know what? I'll take it. I mean, it's better than not learning it, so... Looks like get window long pointer. This is... so let's see what... Because I did it a little different, I believe, than... No, they did it pretty similar. I might have even viewed this article before. Yeah, so using buttons, let's see. Recommended content, how to create a command link. Button states. Alright, alright, so this is the article. We're gonna be doing a bit of, bedtime reading here today, folks. I have not read this yet. I'm purposely trying to stay out of this as much as I can when I'm not streaming so that you guys are experiencing this along with me. Let me get my glasses on and we'll see this. Alright, so we're going to do the push state. Let's get a drink of water. The push state applies to a push button, checkbox, radio button, or 3-state checkbox, but does not apply to other buttons. The push state of a button can either be pushed or not pushed, or any button with the BS push-like style is pushed. The button is drawn as a sunken button. When it is not pushed, it is drawn as a raised button. When a checkbox, radio button, or 3-state checkbox is clicked, the background of the button is grayed. I did not know that. When it is not pushed, the background of the button is not grayed. so you're gonna tell me, using buttons, how to create a button, how to handle the, how to create a command link. I guess this is what I need. The command link. Oh, so this is just a, yeah, okay. Alright, hold on. I guess we're not using Microsoft then. C++, check for button press. And I just forgot I didn't put up my stupid, what's it called? The keyboard display. Let's do sort by date modified. Scroll down. Go to no board. Alright, and the base to no board is opening. Hey, there we are. Alright, and now we can see what I'm typing. Because I use key combinations without realizing it, so I think this is probably a good idea. Check for button press. Keyboard input, no. Check for button push, maybe? Push might be a better way of saying it. Button. It's back to Microsoft again. Let's see. WM command. Case BN clicked, so it's button clicked. Case, but what is this called? I'm just gonna have to figure this out by myself, I suppose, which probably isn't too bad. H-wind button is undefined. H-wind button. H-wind button dot. How would I say if H-wind button is the initiator? Something like that. I don't know. Speaking in button. Boom, boom, boom. Sorry, still thinking about the intro music here. Turn control, create. Oh shoot, Windows Classic Classic Samples. Is this copyrighted? Windows Classic Samples. Alright, so it's open source, which means it's probably fine. So I'm gonna do... I don't know, actually. I mean, this is publicly available code, but at the same time... Well, let's just do Windows 7 samples for now. It's gonna be interesting. Let's see. It's hard. H result button, create text, turn control, create. That be what I'm doing wrong. H-wind button. What is this? H result. Interesting. Very interesting. This is doing it in a very different way than I was doing it beforehand. Let's see, C++, window, button, press. Do I have to be that specific? Button messages. Excuse me. Oh, there it is. That's good. It's from Stack Overflow, so probably gonna be like a stupid question. Alright, so create window, video uploader thing. I don't know what this guy's doing. Child windows, or I identified by a unique numeric value. Alright, more reading. More reading, guys. Child windows are identified by a unique numeric value, often called control ID or window ID. TLDR, you're stupid because I already learned this and I just forgot. Alright, where's the resource file? I don't even include it. Wow, I am a special breed of stupid today. Let's see. Alright, resource.h. Define. What is this? H-win thing. Or. What is this? Button. No, H-win button, yeah. H-win button 114, I don't care. Okay. And now we do an if statement. If low word to be param equals shoot, what was it? H-wind button wind button. I'm sure it'll find it. Probably. Loader. Oh, hold on. Message. Shoot. This. Hi. H-win button. What's your problem? H-win button. IDC. Or IDI, excuse me, H-win button. Maybe that's your issue. Has to be IDI, H-win button. Now you're really pissy at me. Okay. This is usually done in a file called resource.h. That's what I've done here. Assign. Oh, okay. Maybe. H-win button. I am checking chat, by the way, just in case. H-win chat or thing or button. Yes, button. No menu. Parent window. Assign. So it's right after parent window. Assign. So assign appropriate control ID. H menu. IDI. H wind button. Comma. Okay. So let's see. Maybe it needs quotes. That might be it. So let's see how pissy it gets if I were to compile it. And it looks like that was the issue. Let's see how pissy it were to get if I were to compile it right now. Well, alright, and we're compiling. Configuring done. has a lot to do. Alright. Oh, encoding's already overloaded. Awesome. Alright, didn't expect it to have to do that. Holy shoot. Pointer not... Oh my god. Alright. Let's see. So, what? Does this guy do anything? Just create... Oh, he just says create window, not create window W. That might be it. Wait, where is it getting the create window W from? Define create window W. Not declared in the scope. There's a win user thing. What? So I passed... What line are you whining about? Line 100... Well... I passed 12 arguments. And it only needs 11. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What the... So... It's the menu! Okay, that's it. Alright, that's probably what the issue was. Alright, we're gonna have to wait for all this to do this and that. Oh, it's only 1,112. That's not bad. Especially when a Ryzen 7's doing it. Oh, and I just realized that was off screen. Here. Alright, oh my gosh, did that actually work? Let's see. This is exciting. Alright, let's see. reactos. Alright, come on. Let's go. Here we go, there we go. Let's just go. Give me that refund, man. I'll go. And I'm sure, at least I hope, most of you know where that's from. Alright, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Whoa, don't go off my screen. Whoa, look at that. If it goes off the screen, it... Am I the only one that saw that? It couldn't have been. Anyway, C, reactos, system32, woo, hello world, or test GUI. Alright. You can discriminate between them now. We're good. Awesome. Perfect. I just kind of relearned what I already learned before. I'm going to create one more... No, I'm going to not push it. I'm going to create probably just one more checkbox. I'm doing one thing a day. I'm learning this at my own pace, which is excruciatingly slow. I mean... This is probably important, so I'm probably going to put it in all the other things, but... Yeah, so what number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's 9 out of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What the heck? Why does it only have 10? I don't think we need that for here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Sorry, we're not having that. Just define IDI hwind checkbox 15. H menu ID I H wind checkbox. And because I have trust issues with computers, I'm going to compile it one last time to make sure that it actually worked. Okay, we're good. Alright. And I'll probably, you know what, let's do a little more. This code is already just such a mess already. I might want to maybe think about rewriting it. Right. If low word w param equals IDI H wind checkbox message box no t tick tock t hi no. There. Oh, cool. Brain more fully with it. And we're gonna see if that works. Probably, but I just want to see. I want to push myself because this stream isn't as long as yesterday's was. So might as well, you know, stretch it out a little bit. If I can. Alright, we're doing debug, I guess. Let's see how much RAM this program is using. It'll probably not be using much. Usually when I did Visual Basic, my programs used about 8 to 16 meg. This is probably using nowhere in that neighborhood, unless I really screwed up. In that case, I probably have bigger problems. Let's see, Task Manager, Performance, Processes, excuse me, Word Test GUI. Look at that. Look at that, that's kilobyte. Yeah, 1 megabyte. 1 megabyte. Not bad. That's probably just because it's Windows crap. So buttons. Buttons. All right. I am pretty satisfied for today. So you know what? You know what time it is. It's time to push it to the GitHub. Yes, I know VMware. So GitHub desktop. Oh, there we are. Alright, yep. Allow program to check which button was pressed. And also add a little message in for the checkbox. Commit to master. Push to master. And close out of this. We're going to check it in a moment. Let me go ahead and pull it up. All right, and here we are. Base, applications, Word Test GUI. There we are. Yay! Allow program to check which button is pressed. We're good. Yippee! All right, everyone. I'm going to allow YouTube to catch up, but that's it for tonight. Thank you guys for watching, and take care.